Okay, just did this swipe tonight. I used the Artists Loft ready-made pouring paints again. I used the violet, the aqua green, and the, I think, let me see here, the bright yellow as my poured colors, and then I swiped with the a darker blue that was not the Artists Loft. It was just the dark blue. Let me just see, and I'll get the name for you. So it was the phthalo blues, but not in the ready-made. It was one that I'd already mixed up. So this is a 10-inch by 20-inch canvas. And I did put a little bit of silicone in the first three colors, but not in the swiping color. And I really, really like it. It turned out fabulous. I like the fact that my line is not exactly straight, because I like it when things aren't straight. I like to have things looking at, I'm just going to move in slowly and show you some of the cells and things. I think I even got some lacing this time, which is pretty amazing. I'll try and keep the glare off the camera. So this is the bottom right, if we're looking at the painting lengthwise. And I'm going to move over here slowly, looking towards the middle, and then over to the last corner. Love, love, love these cells, and these cells. Now I'm just going to move up here to the top left corner. And again, just loving the cells and everything that's going on. I just put 2 drops of the silicone that I use. It's just Artists Loft brand, if I remember correctly, into each of the cups of the 3 colors. But yeah, really, really liking that. So past the middle there and over to the top right corner. Still loving it. I love these streaks of blue in here. Again, gives it character. Even ones like this I like just because they're different. And just back up here again so you can get the full view. Sorry about the glare. Don't have the best lighting. I use a combination of my dining room light and my kitchen light behind me. So let's see what happens if I shut off my dining room light. So there, changes the colors almost completely. But that's what it looks like with just the kitchen light coming through. Pretty awesome. I love it. Woohoo! It's my favorite swipe I've ever done. I've struggled with swipes before, so I'm really liking this one. Thanks for watching.